Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are continuing our R2-D2 build. We have issue 15 right here, and we have our parts. Not a lot of parts, but let's see what we do with them. Let's get into it. And here are the parts we get with this one. It doesn't actually come with any screws, but you are going to need 6 of the shorter silver screws, 12 of the long silver screws, and 12 of the nuts, in addition to the parts that come with this issue, which are 2 more ring frame pieces, 2 more ring frame connectors, and you will need the ring frame assembly from the previous issues, the other ring frame connector from previous issues, as well as the dome assembly. Alright, to begin, we're going to complete the ring frame assembly, and much like before, you want to ensure that all of the writing is facing upwards. So it should be aligned just like this, and the new pieces also have some writing on them, and make sure that is also facing upward. And it will be assembled just like a puzzle, just like so. And then you'll use the ring frame connectors to hold it in place, along with the shorter silver screws. So let's go ahead and attach all of those together. All right, this is the completed ring frame assembly here, and make sure that the writing on all of the pieces is facing upwards. Now we get to attach it to the dome. Now, if you take a look at the dome here, in some places you've got individual screw holes, others you've got pairs of them. So I can only imagine this is only going to fit one way, and it would appear that this little protrusion, and then you've got this section with the two holes, so this protrusion should go next to that somehow. Let's see, how can we line this up? Oh, it just slipped right into place there. So, look at that. If you take a look, all of these holes, even on the extended pieces, they all line up. And there's going to be 12 of those, and that's what all of the nuts are and screws are for. Nuts go on the top here, and the screws will come in through the bottom. So let's go ahead and attach all of those. Okay, there it is, firmly attached. Most of the screws were very, very easy to get in. The only real exception to that is when you're taking a look at here, you've got the 2 holes in the small. Right behind it, really hard to see there, is another screw base, and you've got to get a nut and a screw into that one. But other than that one tricky one, it was fairly simple, and now even more sturdy than before. All right, well, that was stage 15, issue 15 of this build. And that one was quite nice, adding quite a bit of detail and support here on the bottom of the R2 dome. I know that when it's all assembled, nobody's going to see any of this, but I'll know it's there, and so will you. I hope you enjoyed this issue. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.